This segment of Delmarva Life is brought to you by Peninsula Regional Medical Center.
You know, before a drug, vaccine, medical device, or medical treatment is offered to the general public, it is subjected to clinical trials. Those are research experiments or observations that are done with volunteer patients. Now, many clinical trials are done right here on Delmarva. Did you know that? Through Peninsula Regional Health System. Dr. David Cowell is the director of the Richard A. Henson Research Institute at PRMC and joins us this afternoon to talk about clinical trials. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Nice to be here.
So we gave the definition of a clinical trial, but with the Peninsula Regional Health System, you take it a step further with something called translational research. What is that?
Translational research is taking science from the laboratory to the bedside. So it's taking, for example, a molecule that looks interesting in a test tube and actually taking it to patients and seeing if it helps. And so really, translational research is about best practices, how we can find the best treatment for our patients.
So it's not exactly a clinical trial in and of itself. What is a clinical trial then?
Well, clinical trials are the method that we use to determine what best practice is.
Okay.
A typical clinical trial takes what's current best practice and compares it to something new. Often something that is what's current standard of care plus something different. Mm-hmm. Good example, going back a little bit of a history lesson, going back to the 1970s, women that had breast cancer that had involved the lymph nodes under their arms were treated with surgery.
Okay. And
that cured about a third of patients. Now, that's better than nothing, but it's not good enough.
Okay.
So Dr. Bonadonna and some other scientists decided to compare surgery to surgery followed by chemotherapy.
Right.
And they did a clinical trial. So patients that agreed to participate were randomized either for surgery alone or surgery followed by chemotherapy. And they found the group that got surgery plus chemotherapy, we cured 2/3 of the patients. So we doubled the cure rate. And so that became the new standard of care. And then subsequent studies on and on, generation after generation, we constantly look to get better and better. Okay. Sometimes we find the standard of care is better than the experimental arm, and so we stay with that. Sometimes we switch when we find something new is better.
Thank you for explaining that, because I wondered how all that came together. That makes a whole bunch of sense now. Can you tell me more about the Richard A. Henson Research Center at Peninsula Regional Health System?
Well, I think as this community well knows, Mr. Henson was an aviation pioneer and a philanthropist, and he endowed the Richard A. Henson Research Institute. Mm-hmm. We formally came into being last year. We have our own clinical spaces on the main campus of the hospital. Although we've been doing clinical trials kind of bits and pieces for 20 years, it's now formalized.
So it is really there. Okay, so what can you tell us about the Johns Hopkins Clinical Research Network?
Johns Hopkins, 7 or 8 years ago, was interested in forming a regional research, clinical research, translational research network.
Okay.
And in addition to the Johns Hopkins Hospital and the capital area hospitals that they own, they've recruited institutions in Maryland, Virginia, and Pennsylvania to participate, to get different populations, different demographics. The more balanced the populations we study, the better our outcomes are. And so from the very onset, because of our unique rural area and somewhat physically isolated area, and our facilities that we had to offer, they were very interested in us. And so we've been a participant. They have clinical trials some of the trials that we use come from the network. Right. And so it's been an exciting affiliation and relationship.
What an incredible resource right here at home. Dr. Cowell, thank you so much.
Thank you
for stopping by. The director of the Richard A. Henson Research Institute at Peninsula Regional Health Centers. Thank you so much.
Good, thank you.